still hear me? Lovely, thank you. So now at the level we are doing this at the moment, it's going to seem a little bit kind of pointless. It's just like we're almost doing something for the sake of it. And I guess we are at the moment. It's just learning a new skill. As we take it to a higher level, you'll start seeing why we would use it in the real world and in a problem solving context. But for now, just think of it as a new skill that you need to learn to get some marks. Okay. Now, I want you, whenever you see it says expand, okay, or it might say multiply. Multiply, sorry, that L's a bit dodgy. Multiply. Okay, you've got to think in your mind that you are getting rid of the brackets. Okay, so that's what you're thinking in your mind. So I'm just going to take you through a few examples. So example 1, we could have 4x plus 3. And you've got to do stuff to get rid of that bracket. Will and Tom, can you just put your hands down, or if you've got a query, just say what it is. Thank you guys. So I want to introduce you to what's called the clause. Okay, so we're going to go from the 4 and do a claw over to the x and a 4 over to the plus 3. Now, whenever there is a claw, you are multiplying. So that first claw, I'm going to put a little number 1 underneath it. That first claw, you've got to do 4 times x. And then that second claw, you move on and you do 4 times plus 3. Over 4 times 3x. Okay, so 4 times x is 4x, and 4 times plus 3 is plus 12. And your work is done. Okay, you have got rid of the brackets. So that first claw was taking the 4 over to the x, 4 times x is 4x, and then claw number 2, 4 times 3 is 12. So whenever there is a claw, you are multiplying. Right, let's just do another example. We might have x, 3x minus 4. So again, claw number 1 in light blue. And for that claw number 1, we are doing whatever x times 3x is. Okay. Now remember, we've done some practice of these. That's x times 3 times x, or 3 times x times x. That is 3x squared. That is the first claw. And then our second claw, which I've done in green, our second claw, we are doing x multiplied by minus 4. So x multiplied by minus 4, which is minus 4 times x, which is minus 4x. And again, you have achieved your goal. You have got rid of the brackets. Brackets, plural. Okay, so you're just going to be doing 2 claws and some multiplying. And that's it today, guys. Okay, that's just the skill we are practicing today. It's as well as getting used to the clause, it's really good practice of us multiplying terms together. So it's so good luck with that. I will stop the recording now, and then once that stops, so let's get that stopped. Stop recording.